Preparation of carbonyl compounds. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss on how to prepare carbonyl compounds. There are two types of organic compounds. The first one is aldehyde and the second one is ketone. To produce an aldehyde, we are going to oxidize primary alcohol, and to produce a ketone, we are going to use secondary alcohol. Preparation of aldehyde. We can use any primary alcohol and react it with a mild oxidizing agent, which is pyridinium chlorochromate in CH2Cl2, which is the solvent, and we will produce an aldehyde. Remember that PCC is a mild oxidizing agent. Do not use strong oxidizing agent, as the reaction might proceed to produce carboxylic acid. Take a look at this example. This is a primary alcohol. React it with PCC in CH2Cl2, we will produce an aldehyde. Similar to this, which is a primary alcohol, react it with PCC in CH2Cl2, we will produce an aldehyde. Let's move on to the preparation of ketone. Use any secondary alcohol and react with any oxidizing reagent. In example, potassium permanganate, with the presence of sulfuric acid and heat, we will produce ketone. Do not use H2O plus to substitute H2SO4 here, as it might indicate dilute acid. You may also use any other oxidizing agent, namely potassium dichromate, with the presence of acid or acidified potassium dichromate and heat. You also can use PCC and CH2Cl2 because the product will be the same, which is a ketone. Take a look at this example. This is a secondary alcohol. We react with potassium permanganate and acid and heated, or we can say that it is acidified potassium permanganate, and we will produce a ketone here. The next example, which is also a secondary alcohol, can react with a mild oxidizing reagent, which is pyridinium chlorochromate in the presence of CH2Cl2. The product will also be a ketone. That's all in this video. Thank you.